Hi, this is Ben again, and I'm back showing you how to install EnergyShield continuous exterior insulation as your drainage plane. In this case, our window has been brought out with a 1-inch timber buck to bring it to the face of our insulation, and all of our flashings will be brought to this plane. First thing we do before installing our window is we create a sill pan. We like to see a jamb flashing come up from the sill pan at least 6 inches. Now that we have a flexible sill pan flashing in place, we're ready to install our window. We always start at the bottom and then work our way up with our adhesive flashings so that everything is lapped properly. In the real world, we'd continue to fasten these off to manufacturer's specifications, but today we're going to continue on and start installing our jamb flashings. You can see here that I've left this seam untaped when we went through and taped our others. This is so that we can respect the shingle fashion that our tapes need to lap. Now we'll tape our head flashing and we'll bring this seam tape down over top of it. Now we can come back and tape this seam so that it properly shingle laps over top of our head flashing. So with any penetration, we work the same way we do with any of our other flashing techniques. We start at the bottom and work our way up so that our tape laps in a shingle style fashion. Thanks for joining us today in our video on installing Atlas EnergyShield continuous exterior insulation and how to detail it. Hopefully you'll walk away with some points on how to install this properly and flash your openings and penetrations. For more details, visit atlasrwi.com.